This is a real good microwave. What brand is this? This is Toshiba. Works pretty good. Let me see. We're asking like 30 bucks. 30 bucks, right? It even opens. Got some stuff in there. I don't know what happened. Cord works. So yeah, we're gonna see it. We're gonna see how durable this thing is, huh?
Yeah.
Fire.
That shit ricocheted. Hit me in my fucking leg.
Alright, you're good. This thing held up really well. It didn't even bust through that, dude. I give that credit. You would think it would have blasted through it. All right, so we're going to try one more time and see if we can make a shot. That was with a 12 gauge Mossberg. We're going to go ahead and attempt to try this one more time. Fire. You all right, Richard? Hold on, Richard. Hold on. Did it fire?
No.
All right, hold on, dude. Whenever you want, bro. Just move away from Barbara, though. Whoa. Done.